In this video, I will show you how to delete search history in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first thing I want you to do is ensure that you're logged into your Gmail account on your Chrome profile. So Google Chrome, make sure that you're logged into your Gmail account here. Then once that's done, you're going to come to a new tab and you're going to go to myactivity.google.com. Now this is where you find all of your search history. You see it here. It says the activity you keep helps Google make services more useful for you, and you can find your search history here. Now you have the choice to delete activity by some custom controls here. You either delete by the last hour, last day, all time, or you delete by a custom range, or you can decide to scroll down to a particular activity that you've done or a search. Then you hover over this X button here and you can delete. So once you click here, you see it says confirm you'd like to delete this activity, and you click on delete, it will be deleted. Now that's how you delete search history in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.